Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Mildred Lumaban, 42 years old, residing at District 2, Reina Mercedes, Isabela. I have one kid, age 20 years old. I have 4 brothers and 5 sisters, and I am the youngest of the family. I am a college level, taking up Bachelor of Science in Computer Secretarial.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Sir?
Can you tell me your work experience?
To be honest, Mom, I only have local work experience here in the Philippines as maid. There are 4 members of the family, 3 adults and 1 kid. The kid aged 1 year old. My duties and responsibilities are do all the household chores like cleaning, ironing, marketing, washing clothes, and especially taking care of the kid.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest, responsible, and hardworking person.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir. It was a cesarean operation that was 20 years ago, and it's 2 inches.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For the needs of my family and the future of my kids.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your family?
My sister, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will make myself busy.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. in the evening and waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning, sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient, calm, and talk to them in a nice way.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to get banned in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
I'm willing to learn, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark. Mommy shark doo 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 doo, mommy shark doo 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 doo, mommy shark doo 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 doo, mommy shark. Daddy shark doo 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 doo, daddy shark doo 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 doo, daddy shark doo 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 doo, daddy shark.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my dear future employer, good day, sir and ma'am. Please hire me as your helper, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. I will be more responsible, honest, and hardworking, and I will take care of the whole family with all my best. Thank you.